Hi everyone, Janie here with Sadie and Shay.
Hi.
Welcome back to our garden. You guys want to talk about what we're doing today?
Today we're going to be redecorating the gazebo, or decorating it.
Decorating it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
decorating.
For the very first time. We haven't
Very
done
first
it for
time,
the
yeah.
first time.
The only decorating we've had is two
Those chairs.
rocking chairs.
Right. Which
Yeah.
even those made a huge difference,
They
right?
did,
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, so we installed this gazebo and this deck earlier this year, and it made such a difference for our front yard and our front Central Island area. And it was, oh my goodness, we could not be happier. And per recommendation from my friend Michael Glassman, who's a landscape designer, he recommended lifting up the gazebo a couple feet off the ground to make it more of a focal point. So that's what we did, and we are so very happy with it. So we usually sit on here, we drink coffee, the girls drink drinks and hang out on here. When they are in school, they come and hang out here after school.
Yeah.
But you guys have been on summer break. Do you want to tell everybody what you've been doing for summer break?
Nothing.
Nothing. They've been having a lazy summer, right?
Yeah.
What time, Sadie, what time have you been waking up in the morning?
9.
I have too many teenagers on my hand. So we got them out. We got them outside. I'm just kidding. They have camps and stuff like that. But when they're at home and they have nothing to do, they've definitely been sleeping in. So what we're planning to do today is we're planning to finally decorate this gazebo area. I bought some chairs. I bought a rug. I bought some pillows, but they're not here yet. They didn't come yet.
Yeah, we have other pillows though.
We can use other pillows, yeah.
For now.
So we're just gonna have fun. We're just gonna kind of decorate a little bit, and Jason's around here somewhere, and he's gonna help us do some of the heavy lifting as well. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Okay, before we get started, let me show you guys kind of a before look. I have the boxes of chairs here for the gazebo, and then we got a rug. But right now, there's of course nothing here, and that is because we actually just got this painted or stained. They ended up doing a semi-transparent oil-based stain in the color cedar, and I am so happy with it. I think it is just beautiful. And you can see I've done a little bit of planting around the gazebo, but it's not really like final planting yet. There's a couple things that are final plantings, or like structural plantings. First of all, I have my Chandler Monterey cypress from Isley Nursery. So that's growing really well. That'll be a really pretty evergreen staple plant. Then here and over here, I have my Rising Sun redbuds. And these guys are just the most beautiful things. They're gonna get 10 feet tall. So this guy's just a baby right here. And if you can see, the new growth is orange, yellowy color. So it looks like a rising sun, like as the branches come out. They are just the most beautiful trees. And then I want to point you guys at my El Nino Catalpa right there, because I planted another one of these over here. And I did that on purpose because this area is where we have the hot afternoon sun. So we don't really sit here, hang out here in the gazebo in the afternoon, like mid-afternoon, because it's so hot. But once this guy grows up, it's gonna get about 15 feet tall and 10 feet wide. It's gonna protect our whole gazebo and give us some nice, beautiful shade, which I think will be really great. So that's a permanent planting, redbud, and then cypress right there is a permanent planting. And then right here, we have our little dry creek bed, kind of the beginning of the dry creek bed. I've told you guys this before. Eventually, we're gonna put rock boulder fountains in here and kind of spread out the rock area. So this area isn't done quite yet, but we're not ready to kind of work on that right now. Right now, we're just gonna be working on getting the gazebo nice and cute, decorating it all, and making it a place that we are gonna want to hang out all the time. So let's get started.
so this is just 2 of the 4 chairs we have. So we're gonna put these together and
5 hours later.
yeah, we'll do the next 2.
All right, update on where we're at. It's been a number of hours, right? To put together these chairs. They're beautiful. I absolutely love them. But they took forever to put together. But I did have my helpers here. The only thing I will say, or do you guys want to say it?
One of the chairs, the second chair we did, we didn't have enough screws.
They didn't come with enough screws.
So we had to open the next box and steal screws from that box.
Yes.
And then
So
we had like the exact number of screws we needed. So that was
The only reason why we were able to put together these chairs is because we bought 2 kits.
Yeah.
And we used the extras in the second kit to make up for the first kit. So just be aware, if you get these chairs, count your screws before you start putting things together, because our first box was totally messed up.
And make sure they're not flipped. Because the letters, they were flipped. Like there were like 18 screws, but it was actually on the wrong.
It was all messed up. Yeah.
It was on the wrong back.
Yeah, in one box, all of the screws were messed up, but we were able to figure it out. We got the rug down. I love the swivelness, right?
Yeah.
So Shay, say you want to go look at the garden.
Then you go
like that. And you want to come back and say hi to the family. Sadie, look at the garden. Say, oh, I want to look at the pretty garden. Oh, so nice. Okay, now come back and talk to the family. There you It's amazing.
Indubitably the best chair ever.
What'd you say, Shay? Say it louder.
It's indubitably the best chair.
The girls learned a new vocabulary word.
Indubitably. It's officially my favorite word.
This is indubitably some of the best chairs I've ever sat in.
Indubitably, you need to go get the fire pit.
Indubitably.
Indubitably.
This is looking really good. And then I have one more thing for now. Now, I still have pillows. I bought pillows, but they just haven't been delivered yet. There's a delay in shipping. Actually, I'm kind of afraid they got lost. And then I'm still gonna go buy pots and flowers and all that kind of stuff. But I have one more thing that I found on Facebook Marketplace that I thought would be beautiful. And that is this guy right here. So this is actually a hardwired chandelier, and I thought that if I just cut the wire out and just hung it I could go get those LED battery operated lights and screw them in here. And then, you know, those are the ones that you have the remote control to turn them on and off. And I thought that would be perfect because we don't have power yet to the gazebo. So I'm gonna have to kind of work with this thing a little bit, kind of figure out how to make it work into that area, but there is a hook in the top of the gazebo, and I think that this will be really pretty there. And if it doesn't work, no big deal. I got it for cheap off Facebook Marketplace, like I said, but I saw it and I was like, oh, that would be so good. Ooh, nice, look at that.
It
works.
I know, it's so nice.
I know. So pretty. Do you think it should be lower? Oh.
You should go look at it. Might need to go a touch lower. We got it for distance. It's close. If you want to see it more, you should go lower.
I think it should go lower.
Like, not a lot, like 2 or 3 links, right?
Yeah. Good?
I'm gonna see it.
Oh, it looks so good. I love it.
Yeah, you can totally see it.
Can you see it?
It looks so good.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
All right, we are pretty much done for the day. The girls and I we're tired. we've done enough for today, but I'm so happy with how it looks. And we got to go to the store and we got to go get s'more stuff. Because we are planning to spend a lot of time out here, right? Yeah. So let me give you guys a little bit of a tour first before I sign off, just show you guys everything, and I'll tell you where I bought everything, and yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. Okay, so first off, we have a Monty dog who has very much enjoyed all of this ruckus that's been going on, right? So let's see, the fire pit we actually brought from our last house. We got it from Home Depot. It's just a propane fire pit, wasn't too expensive. Works fine, right? Yeah. The only thing I will say about this fire pit though is I took out the rocks that came with it because, gosh, why didn't I like them? Were they red? Do you remember?
Yeah, they were like bright red rocks.
They were red rocks. They were red lava rocks, and I didn't like that, so I ended up purchasing these black lava rocks. Yeah, they weren't pretty. Or you can get like crystal if you like that look or something like that, but I really wanted just like a plain neutral look. This rug I ended up getting from Amazon. I will put a link to it below. It's just an indoor-outdoor rug. Perfectly fine. I think it's a 9-foot diameter rug. And then the chairs are Better Homes and Garden. I really, really like them, right?
They're so comfortable.
So comfortable. So other than the snafu with the hardware, I would say A+ on these chairs. I think they were like $450 for 2. So it was like $900 for all 4 of them, which I thought was a really good deal for 4 swivel chairs. So I'm happy with that. That was the big splurge for here.
And rocking chairs.
And we wanted rocking chairs. We wanted swivel chairs and rocking chairs. And then, of course, the chandelier that I still have to get the lights for. I don't have the lights yet. That was just a Facebook Marketplace find. Super happy.
The candles.
Yeah, we're going to paint these things. And then I will put in the LED lights, and I think that will be absolutely perfect. The one thing that I think it was your idea is putting string lights up.
Yeah.
My idea.
Sorry, excuse me. Sadie's idea. And so I think we'll put string lights up, and since we don't have power over here, I think I'll use the HoseLink solar lights because that will be really easy. And then I do have striped pillows coming, very similar to my shirt here, but like I said, they might be lost. So we'll see. We'll see where they're.
And then I think we're gonna put hanging baskets or pots.
Yeah, either hanging baskets here and here, or pots down here and here.
I think we should do hanging baskets because of the propane tank. It'll like kind of mess.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so maybe hanging baskets. Yeah. But this is nice for now, right? And then two big pots on either side here to come. And then we still have a lot more planting to do all around here. But all in all, this is fantastic. We're happy, right?
So happy.
Love it. Okay, the girls want to say one more thing.
This is indubitably a great area.
This is indubitably a great.
This is indubitably, the fireplace was indubitably hard to turn on.
Yes, it was undoubtedly hard to turn on because we're low on propane. So we need to go to the grocery store, fill up our propane tank, and get some more stuff. And we will be hanging out here. So I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a chance to get in your garden today.